BioCleanup specializes in cleaning trauma-related biohazard scene remediation. This type of problem needs to be treated professionally with industrial-strength cleaning agents that will prevent further contamination. These sometimes traumatic events can be blood removal, unattended death, homicide, suicide, hoarding, and feces cleanup throughout Maricopa County, Arizona. BioCleanup handles both local commercial and local residential emergency biohazard cleanup services. We are highly trained and will treat your BioCleanup service with professionalism and discretion. We can assist with all types of biohazard waste remediation, virus cleanup. Microbiological waste left unattended can lead to more growth and harm to the human body. We can remove these bacteria and viruses quickly and efficiently. Suicide cleanup. Losing a loved one to suicide can be traumatic. Our company is here to treat your situation with compassion and discretion. Hoarding. Hoarding in a dwelling can lead to vermin such as insects or rodents. Worse, it can lead to a fire. Treating a room will prevent this risk. Blood stain cleanup. Are you concerned about blood stains on carpeting or concrete? Hire us to remove harmful blood-borne pathogens. Everyone in our organization understands our commitment to quality and customer service. We make great efforts to ensure each disinfection and decontamination job is done correctly the first time. We are proud to serve all areas of the valley including Phoenix, Chandler, Mesa, Tempe, Santan Valley, Glendale, Gilbert, Scottsdale, Peoria, Tolson, Goodyear, Tonopah, Cave Creek, Paradise Valley, Apache Junction, and Ahwatukee. Visit us online or call us today for a free quote.